So this happens to me all the time. My business partner just booked a meeting with a new lead and needs a custom demo ready in the next 10 minutes. But the issue, the system I use to build these custom demos lives on my computer, and a lot of the times I'm not even at my PC. So I have no way to get him this custom demo in time, right? Wrong. I'm going to show you how I use Claude Code to run my business from my PC when I'm nowhere near it. And if you haven't figured it out already, I'm talking about Claude Dispatch. All right, so before I show you the live demo for a real use case, I just want to walk you through the setup because it literally takes like 5 seconds. So unfortunately, Anthropic hasn't released a way to completely disconnect your dispatch once it's connected. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. Essentially, the first thing you're going to need to do is download Claude Desktop if you haven't already done so on your computer. And you can see I have it right here. Once you have that open and you're logged into your account, you'll see 3 options at the top, which is going to be chat, cowork, and code. We're going to want to go over to cowork, and right there is where you'll see the dispatch option. Now yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because I'm already signed in, but then what you're going to want to do is on your phone, you need to download the Claude app, and when you open that app and log into your account, you can go to the sidebar and you'll see the dispatch option as well. But once you have both of these screens opened, it should automatically detect, and then you're just going to want to go through the settings on your computer to make sure it's all configured correctly. And the settings you can actually see right here. So you want to keep it awake, you want mobile notifications, you want computer use, and you want code permissions. You can choose whatever one you want. I just allow bypass permissions because I trust it enough. And then you also want to make sure that you give it Chrome access if that's something you need. And that's pretty much the entire setup. So that's all you need to do. So now let's give it a real test, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So like I said in the intro, I have a system that's built with Claude Code to automatically create custom voice agent demos for whenever my business partner books a meeting. That way, when they hop in the meeting, we can show them that we built this custom demo for them to impress them with the technology that we're trying to sell them. So that being said, the way the system works is it's a repository in my GitHub account that's cloned to my local drive on my PC. So whenever I change a directory to that repository and run Claude, all I have to give it is a command, which is /demos. I give it the link to a website, which it's going to crawl to create the knowledge base for the voice agent. And then it has all the pre-configured voice agent settings as well as the prompt, and then uses a Retell AI MCP to import that voice agent into my Retell account. Now from there, I'll either connect an actual Twilio phone number to that agent so that we can call it live, or I'll just get the voice agent URL where when you paste into a browser, it brings you to a screen like this and you can talk directly to the agent. So this is usually how we demo these voice agents for the leads. But like I just said, I need to be at my PC so that I can spin up Claude Code in a terminal and have it actually run these commands on a specific website. But now using Claude Dispatch, I don't even need to be at my PC. I can do this from my phone from wherever I am in the world, and I'm going to show you right now. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to tell it is to simply change the directory to this specific directory, which is where the system I've been talking about lives on my local drive. So I'm going to go ahead and press send, and you'll see that it actually automatically pops up on my computer right when I hit send on my phone. All right, so it's hitting me with a permission ask. Like you can see, it pops up on my phone and my computer. Of course, in this scenario, I can only see my phone, but I am going to press allow. Cool. And now it's ready to go. It's asking what I want to do in there. So I'm pretty much telling it to just run this command, which is /demo. I give it the website to the lead so that it can build the knowledge base. And then the Toronto is just for the time zone. I'm going to go ahead and send this off, and let's see what it does. It usually takes about like 5, maybe 6 minutes to actually build the demo. So it says send to auto build session running /demo agent with the Toronto. I'll follow up when it's done. So now all we have to do is just wait, and then it's going to hit me back whenever it's ready. All right, so it looks like it's done. I just gave it a little nudge to let me know when it's ready because it was taking a bit longer than usual. As you can see, it ran the full command. It imported into my account. It's giving me the agent ID. It's giving me all the information. But now here's the tricky part, because even though the demo agent is created and it's currently in my Retell AI account, I don't actually have access to it right now. And what I need to do is get the link to that voice agent so that I can send it over to my business partner. So you might be wondering how I'm going to do this from my phone. Well, I'm about to show you. So what I'm about to send it from my phone is open up a new Chrome tab and go to retellai.com and sign into my account. So I'm going to hit send from my phone. You'll see it pop up on my computer like it always does. There it goes. And check this out. This is completely controlling my screen right now. I'm not even touching anything. And you see that orange outline? That's Claude controlling it. The mouse is orange. It has full control of my computer right now. Okay, cool. Now it's hitting me back that we're already signed in. We're good to go. So now the next thing I need to tell it to do is change the workspace, because right now we're in my YouTube Retell workspace. I need to go to my demo workspace. So I'm just saying in the top left corner, hit on the YouTube workspace dropdown and switch to the demo workspace. Let's go ahead and send that off, and let's watch it control the mouse. Boom. It's doing this all on its own, guys. And on my screen right now, I can see the new demo that it just built, the Rosedale hardware one. So now it's hitting me back, switched. What's the next step? So I'm going to say open the Rosedale hardware demo, which is a new one that was just built. Tap on the top right corner. You will see a share button. So it's going to hit that, and then it's going to need to toggle on this voice orb option. Then it will be given a link that I want it to send back to me. That's the link we use to demo the agent. I'm going to go ahead and send this off, and we can see it controlling the screen right now. So let's just see what it does. There it goes. Into the agent. That's exactly what I wanted. It just needs to enable the orb. Again, not touching anything. It's doing this all on its own. Look at it go. Perfect mouse movement, by the way. You see that? And that's the exact link I needed to send back to me. Boom. And there you go. As you can see, it sent me the link to the agent. So now all I need to do is copy this link and send it over to my business partner. But just for the sake of it, let's head to a new tab on my phone. Here, I'm going to paste the link. And as you can see, this is exactly what we're looking for. This is the demo right here. So let's just see how it sounds.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Rosedale Hardware. How can I help you today?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What can I help you with today?
All right, and you guys get the point. Claude Dispatch is extremely powerful because it allows me to control my PC from wherever I am in the entire world. Now, this is of course just one example of how you can actually use it, but I have a bunch of these types of products that live on my PC because they need the computing power. And even though Claude Dispatch is in beta right now, you can see how powerful this actually is, giving Claude complete control of your computer to do tasks for you. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you guys found this as interesting as I did, and hopefully you guys actually hop on this sooner rather than later because it is truly powerful. That said, if you find this content useful or want to support the channel at all, just hit that like button and drop a sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.